Hello, I'm Laura from the Plano Public Library. Today, we're going to explore one of our theme bags. Our theme bags are the perfect way for you to do your very own story time at home. Let's take a look at our nursery rhyme theme bag. Each theme bag will have a content list. On the back, there are some suggested activities such as songs, rhymes, or finger plays you can do together with your child. This theme bag has 5 books. There is also a puppet. This is the friendly little spider. Puppets are a great manipulative to use with your child. Using a puppet to tell a story develops language and vocabulary. Manipulating a puppet strengthens your child's fine motor skills as well. Theme bags check out for 3 weeks and may be picked up at any of our 5 locations. To place a theme bag on hold, search for theme bag in our online catalog. Here you will find theme bags such as colors, royalty, school, and more.